Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn about objectives of business firms. An objective is referred to as an aim of any business organization which the owner of the business organization wants to achieve. The business firms and the other business entities are guided by certain objectives. Profit maximization has been one of the prime objectives of the private business enterprises. Later on, in recent times, new theories of business firms have generated alternative objectives of firms. See, an objective is the desire that the business owner wants to achieve during a certain period of time. Coming up to the objectives of business firms. There are various objectives of business firms. One of these objectives is sales maximization. As per the Professor Baumol, sales maximization is the ultimate objective of firm rather than the profit maximization. He thinks that when a firm considers sales maximization as a priority objective, it does not neglect the objective of profit maximization. Coming up to the next objective, which is profit maximization. Profit maximization. It is yet another important objective guiding the entrepreneur for the production of goods. Profit plays crucial role in the production decision taken by the firm. According to the traditional theory, that level output which the maximum difference between total revenue and total cost will help an entrepreneur to maximize his profit. Coming up to the next objective, which is utility maximization. Utility or satisfaction remains the end objective of human behavior. Taking this idea into account, economists like Benjamin Higgins was of the opinion that small firms pursue the objective of utility maximization. It is also called as preference function maximization. According to this view, the satisfaction to the entrepreneur does not come only from the maximization of profit, but he may get his satisfaction from the leisure which he is able to enjoy. Coming up to the next objective, which is welfare maximization. Welfare maximization is further divided into two other objectives, and these objectives are personal welfare and social welfare. Talking about the personal welfare, the people who make decisions for business are in fact people. They have likes and dislikes. They have personal goals and aspirations. Just like people who do not make decisions for the firm. On the occasion, these people use the firm to pursue their own personal welfare. When they do, their actions could enhance the firm's profit maximization or, in many cases, prevent profit maximization. Now, we'll talk about social welfare. The people who make decisions for firms also have social consciences. Part of their likes and dislikes might be related to the overall state of the society, such as they might use the firm to pursue social welfare, which could enhance or prevent the firm's profit maximization. Now, coming up to the next objective, which is growth maximization. A famous United States economist, J.K. Galbraith, made an empirical study of big corporations and came to the conclusion that the managers pursue not single but multiple goals such as sales maximization, utility maximization, etc. Along with these objectives, managers keep the prime objective to achieve the top level or the highest possible level of growth in output. They also try to improve their prestige, technical superiority, and market power. They take the help of effective advertising on a large scale to influence the consumer in order to attain the various mentioned objectives. Now, coming up to the examples of some companies' objectives. The first company that we are going to talk about is Apple Limited. To expand their sales to customers who have not yet known any Apple products. To produce hassle-free products that provides services and enjoyment for customers. To become leading business in the mobile market. Now coming up to the next company, which is Reliance Limited. Reliance Limited aimed to create synergetic effect by creating high quality and diversified portfolio. They also provide diversified financial services with focused people. The another objective is diversification of sources of funds, and they also aim to enhance corporate value through sustained growth. Now, coming up to the next corporate, which is Samsung. Marketing objective of Samsung is that the future electronics is inspiring the world and create the future. The objective of the company is to lead innovation in technology, solutions, and product that inspire communities all over the world to create a better world. The company is dedicated towards offering new values and standards in the industry and people, as well as fulfill the values of its employees, partners, and clients. Now, coming up to the next company, that is Hindustan Unilever Limited. HUL is committed to operate and grow its business in a socially responsible way. The company has a simple purpose to make sustainable living commonplace. Hindustan Unilever Limited's vision is to grow the business whilst reducing environmental footprint and increasing positive social impact. We are developing new business practices that grow both our company and communities. We are meeting people's ever increasing desire for more sustainable products and creating a brighter future for everyone. These were the words of Sanjeev Mehta, who is the CEO and Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever Limited. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn about objectives of business firms. An objective is referred to as an aim of any business organization